If you're considering a $5,000 or even a $100,000 personal loan from Sofi, you've come to the right place. We're going to give you the latest information about their personal loans, their company policies, and the things you might want to look out for. If you have a specific question, zoom to the relevant section using our chaptering in this video. We've spent years in the lending industry and we track hundreds of different credit providers across the country. So we can decode the company policies and tell you how their features compare to other companies in the industry. At the end of the video, we will also tell you where you can go to make sure you're getting the best deal that you can on a personal loan. Sofi Technologies was founded in 2011. It is a financial services company that began by offering student loan refinancing and has since expanded into a comprehensive financial platform. It operates through three main segments: lending, financial services, and a technology platform. Sofi provides a wide range of products, including personal loans, home loans, student loans, credit cards, banking, and investment services. Sofi's minimum loan amount is $5,000. That's the highest minimum loan amount in the industry. So that may not be the right lender for you if you're just trying to cover a monthly shortfall. Their maximum loan amount is $100,000, which is one of the highest in the industry. So if you're looking for a lot of money, they are one of the few companies that you could turn to. To give you an idea of how much borrowers usually take from Sofi, last year the average Sofi personal loan was $33,000. Sofi's APRs range from a minimum of 8.99% to a maximum of 29.99%. This is pretty similar to other companies that serve the same customers. Banks usually only serve people with good to excellent credit, and their APRs usually max out around 25%. But fintech lenders try to serve a broader range of borrowers and tend to go up to 35.99%. You can see that Sofi is a bit of a hybrid sitting between the two. And this is definitely reflected in who they lend to. Sofi primarily lends to people with good to excellent credit. I believe they might dip into the fair credit range, but they aren't likely to go down as far as some other lenders do. However, it's important to note that Sofi doesn't just look at credit score when deciding who to approve. Of course, every lender has a different algorithm for deciding whether to approve you, how much to lend you, and at what rate to offer. The factors that generally determine whether they will approve you include credit history, payment history, debt-to-income ratio, as well as amount and type of income. The factors that play a role in the amount of money they offer you include things like income, affordability measures, requested loan amount, type of collateral, if any, and the purpose of the loan, as well as lender internal policies. The factors that play a role in the interest rate that they offer you include some of the same criteria as for the approval, but they also include things like the loan term length, the relationship that the customer has with the lender, collateral, and the application of any discounts. Sofi boasts that they don't charge fees, and they do have fewer fees than many other lenders. They do not charge you a fee if you're late on a payment, and they don't charge an NSF fee if a payment attempt fails. They have no required origination fee. What that means, I think, is that you could choose to have an origination fee that could be as high as 7%, but you could also choose to have a loan option without one. If you pay the loan off early, you don't get a reimbursement for the origination fee. So all things being equal, you want to avoid an origination fee if you can. However, if the presence of an origination fee means that other features of the loan are better for you, you don't need to be dogmatic about avoiding an origination fee. Remember, the origination fee is accounted for in the APR. So a loan with a low APR is still a low-cost loan even if it has a high origination fee. If you are looking for a little help in getting approved for the amount that you need, Sofi will allow you to add a co-borrower to your application. The co-borrower will be responsible for repaying the loan if you fail to. The co-borrower will help your application the most if they have a stronger credit profile or a higher income than you do, or both. Sofi requires that your co-borrower live at the same address that you do, so it's mainly focused on spouses and significant others. If you want to use a Sofi loan to consolidate credit card balances or other debt, Sofi does offer direct payoff. They will pay off your other debts for you with the proceeds of the loan. It's nice that you don't have to do that, but I like it for another reason. It means that SoFi understands that the new loan is meant to replace your other debts and not just stack on top of them. Because it won't make your debt to income ratio worse, it should be easier to be approved by them. SoFi offers 3 different APR discounts. If you sign up for AutoPay before you accept the loan agreement, they will lower your interest rate by 0.25%. You can earn another 0.25% discount if you're using a SoFi bank account with direct deposit. And you can earn yet another 0.25% discount if you use their direct payoff service for debt consolidation. Most SoFi personal loan applications are completed within 2 days. Being self-employed, needing to submit additional documentation, and adding co-borrowers can delay the process up to 10 days. After your approval, funding can take a couple of days. This timing is not unusual for larger personal loans. If you are looking for a SoFi minimum loan amount of $5,000, there are lenders who can complete that process in a day. What would a SoFi personal loan be good for? If they offer you an APR that is 2 to 3 percentage points lower than the interest rate on your existing debt, you could use a SoFi loan to consolidate debt or credit card balances. Generally, SoFi's minimum loan amount is too big to use it for minor monthly shortfalls. They would be good for more substantial financial emergencies, car repairs, and medical expenses. SoFi has student loan and student loan consolidation programs that would be better than using one of their personal loans. But they would be good for other life events such as having a baby, weddings, funerals, and relocating for a job. SoFi's personal loan amounts are high enough for home renovation projects. You would probably want a traditional auto loan when buying a car, but it might be the best loan you could get for a recreational vehicle. SoFi's personal loans would not be a good place to get money for investing for a small business financing. SoFi is a respected and established lender. They offer a wide range of financial services and would be a good place to go if you need a fairly substantial amount of money. I like their limited fees and I like their features. Whether they would be the perfect lender for you, of course, will depend on the interest rate and the terms that they offer you. That's why it's so important that before you accept a loan offer, you shop around. Every lender has a different algorithm for whether to approve you, for how much, and at what rate. You owe it to yourself to make sure that you're getting the best deal that you can. At the Yukon Project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you go to our marketplace page, you can filter our lenders by loan purpose, loan amount, and credit score. When you apply to one of the featured lenders, we'll check your rate with up to 40 other lenders behind the scenes. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. We will show you all of your approved offers so you can select the loan that's best for you. If you have experience with SoFi, leave a comment below and tell us how it went. We are trying to build a community of people who can share their experiences so we can all be better informed when making financial decisions. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us out and we appreciate it. Thanks for watching.